all, we are at the platform of Wire where we are here to win our dreams. Okay. So first, after that, wait. Yeah, most important thing, all are here and grand welcome to all of you that all of you come here, you're giving your time. And so, yeah, if you really want to live the life which you have imagined, अगर हमने जो भी dreams देखे वो dreams वाली life अगर हमें जीनी है, then what's the important thing? Yeah, go in the direction, right? Go in the certain directions with that dream. Okay, उस direction में जाना हमें सबसे ज़्यादा important है. Okay. So all the best to your dream and let's jump towards a session now. Let's start our session. Okay. So let me check the PPT first. So what will be our today's agenda? Okay. What we are going to see in today's lecture. So first of all, we will see the directions importance. That why direction is important for as the exam point of view. In the exam, what is important. After that, in the professional life, how will you use it? In the real life case studies there. After that, we will see some basics of the directions. Yeah, session outline that how we are going to start, how we are going to complete this session. After that, some basics of the directions, which types of questions asked in the direction. Then we will see those types and some basics. After that, we will see example on that types. And yes, I will give some questions for you also for the practice sessions. And I am giving you the assignment. And after that summary, in this type, we are going to complete our today's lecture. Okay. So let's move for the lecture. Let me change the PPT first. Very good. Yeah, so wait a moment. Yeah. So what is the importance of direction in the exam point of view? Okay. So if you observe in the competitive exams, then more than 80% in the exams direction topic is asked. Okay. 80% से ज़्यादा exams ऐसे होंगे जहाँ आपको direction का question मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. It may be for 1 marks, or if they ask the puzzle on the direction, then it will be for 3 to 5 marks also. Okay. For the TSNET exam, we are expecting minimum one question, that is 1 mark is compulsory for the TSNET exam. And also for other management exams, we are expecting minimum one question definitely will be there in other exams too. Okay, and yes, why are we going to study this? Because this is too much easily solvable, and yes, it's not time consuming. 30 seconds के अंदर आपका आंसर आ जाता है. If you start practicing, if you be the best in that, then definitely you can solve this question within a 30 seconds. It is very easy, and of course scoring also. Okay, so that's why we are going to study this direction for the exam point of view. Okay. Is it okay up to this? So let's go for the next slide. Yeah. So what will be the professional life importance of the direction? Okay. So in the professional life, suppose you are doing business or you are in something with some of the industries. Well, you have to expand the business. For like you just know that north side में कहीं पे in the north there is too much chances to expand the company. Yes, there are some areas, or else there are some companies which are providing you the raw material from the south side. So for this, you should know that in the north side there is Delhi, UP, Haryana. All these states are in the north side, so that at least you will get the idea that yes, whether should we expand our business there or not, is it okay, yeah, from where we have to a raw material we have to take from the south side. So yes, we should know where is the south side, which states are there. All these directions are important for a professional life also. Okay, this direction will help you to increase your productivity, like if you are ordering something from the south, or you are expanding your business in the north side or in the east side, like that one. Okay, so this will be your professional use of the directions. So let's change me the slide. Okay. Yeah. After that, I have taken real life case study. Okay. So real life case studies. Recently, we have gone through this cyclone Tauktae, right? All of you have seen the news of that, or some of us have in that area, of this area where the cyclone was happened. So, if just imagine, we did not any idea about the direction that cyclone took takes place in the western coast. It started from the Myanmar and goes through that and ends in the Gujarat, right? So this complete western coast, all area was gone through the cyclone Tauktae. So if we did not have any idea about that, about the direction, then what will happen? Can we save life? Can our government take that alert? Can we can we able to solve the? Can we able to save the lives? ये हम नहीं कर पाते इनकेस अगर हमें डायरेक्शन का आइडिया नहीं होता तो कहीं भी कुछ भी हो जाता है इनकेस ओके वी जस्ट कंप्लीटली अननोन इफ वी डोंट नो द डायरेक्शंस so that we cannot save the life, we cannot give the alert. All these things are depend on the directions. So directions takes the most important part in this cyclone Tauktae, right? So is it okay? Let's change with the PPT next. Yeah. So what will be our today's session's outline? Okay, actually we will complete this session within a 3 parts. In the first part, that is today, we are going to see some basics of the directions, that which types of the basics which require to solve the questions. Then different types of questions are there, right? So we will see some basics. Then we will, after that basics, we will see the type 1 questions. We will solve some examples there. We will practice of that. I will give the questions to you also. And this time we will complete the first part of the lecture. In the next part, we will see similarly the basics of the type 2, type 3, and we will solve some examples on that too. We will practice for that. And in the part 3, definitely we will again see some next types of the questions. And again, same thing, we will take some examples, we will practice on it, we will try to understand the basics, we will try to understand the concepts of the topic, okay? So this will be our today's session's outline. It's alright? Okay, wait, let me change. Yeah. So as I told, we will see the types of the questions. So first let's see which are the types of the questions. Okay, you can see on the screen itself. So what will be the first type? First type of question will be the turn and rotation based questions will be there. After that, in the second, in the first they will give the turns. Actually, when we will solve, then I will explain the types of question in details. Actually, just see the what are the types of the question. First is the turn and rotation based question. Next one will be distance based question. Third one will be, yes, again distance based, but by using the Pythagoras theorem, okay, which we have already learned in the school, okay. After that, in the fourth part, we will see some shadow based question, and last one will be the puzzle, and puzzle will be for 3 to 5 marks. Also, it is possible in other exams. In TCNET, there will be one question which might be for 1 mark itself, okay. So these will be your types of the questions. Is it all right? So up to this all clear, so I'm going to change the slide now, okay? Yeah. So wait a second. Yeah. We are going to start the basics of the directions now, okay? Up to this, all of you have cleared already. As per the poll, I think all of you are clear. So let's start the basics of the directions. So which are the basic directions we have learned from the childhood? So come on, message in the chat section fast. Which are the main directions? Come on. Do you know which are the directions? There are 4 directions, 4 main directions we have seen from the childhood: north, south, east and west. As we already know from the childhood, it's a north, south, east and west are the main directions, okay? So let's see on the paper how we will show the directions, okay? So suppose these are the 4 directions: upward, downward, right side and left side. So come on, tell me, do you remember where is the directions actually? If any one of you gets confused whether east is in the left or right, so how to remember? As we know, north is always upward side. This as we know because we have seen in the maps also and actually it's a normal thing. As all of you know that north is always in the upper side. Okay, so it's easy to remember. It's actually there is nothing to remember, right? So if north is the upward side, then south is opposite to north. So it will be in the downward side. Okay. And for the east and west, how to remember that? East is always right. Okay. What we have to remember? Only one thing is that east is always right. So right में क्या आ जाएगा मेरा? East. So if east is in the right, then left, opposite of east, that will be west. Okay. So this will be your west side, north, south, east and west. These four are your main directions. Okay. So I hope is all is this clear. Okay. This is too much easy actually. So these are the main direction. After that, there are four cardinal direction. Okay. Let me show you the PPT. One second. Yeah. So as I said, there are four cardinal directions. So how is cardinal direction? Wait, let me draw here so that I can explain you better. Okay. So as this was your north, this is the east, this is the south, and this is the west. Right? So if I draw the direction exactly between north and east, then it will become the northeast. This is your first cardinal direction. Similarly, if I draw the direction between south and east, it will become southeast, northeast, southeast. Same pattern between the west, south and west, it will be southwest, and between the north and west, it will be north and west. These are your four cardinal directions. Okay, these were your main direction. These are your cardinal directions. While solving the exam questions, it will help you that those directions are important. The questions will be on that cardinal directions too. Okay. So these are your cardinal directions. Let's see the next PPT. If anyone have any question, then you can ask in the Q&A section. Okay. Yeah. So after the cardinal direction, the most important thing is here is that sunrise and sunset, because in the direction question sunrise and sunset is most important. So all of you know that sun rises from east, as it is a common, it's a question of little students actually. Okay, so in the east there is a sunrise and in the west there will be sunset. Okay, these questions will help you in the shadow type of question. This sunrise and sunset. Sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west. Okay. This is also important thing. After that, let's see the next PPT. Yeah. So the next one is the angle between the main directions. Okay. Now this is also important. As we say, turn and rotation. So this rotation is as per the angle. So this is also important. So what are the angles what is the angle between the main directions? This main direction, this angle is always equals to 90 degree. Okay. This main direction angle between north and east is always equals to 90 degree. Again, this one is also 90 degree. This is also 90 and this is also 90 degree. Okay. This is the main direction, two main direction. But if I ask the direction angle between the north and south, then it will be 180 degree. Similarly, west to east it will be 180 degree. Is it getting mixed? Are you getting this? 90 degree within this main direction and 180 degree between the north and south and west and east, it is a 180 degree. Okay. And this total angle is a 360 degree, which does not ask in any exam, but at least only for information I am telling that this total angle is always 360 degree. Okay, so the angle between main direction is a 90 degree. This is most important thing. 90 degree. We have to remember that 90 degree. Yeah, while solving question, I will explain you why it's important. Okay, is it up to clear? So let's see the next slide. That's good. Some of you are answering in the chat section also. That's really good. So angles between this cardinal and main direction. Okay, now we have seen the main direction's angle. Now what will be the angle? This total was 90 degree and this northeast is exactly between the north and east. Okay, it's dividing it into two parts. So this angle will become 45 degree as it was a 90 degree total. So exactly two parts. So this will become 45 degree. Okay, are you getting this? So like this will also 40. So any of this angle that will be 45 angle. Okay, by mistake I said 40 I think, but it is a 45 degree. Okay, so if I ask any of the angle between these directions, it will be 45 degree. Is it okay? Okay, so let's continue. The angle was between this cardinal direction of the 45 degree. Up to this, all of you have cleared. I hope so. So let's start. Let's see the next PPT. Yes. So the next one is a clockwise and anti-clockwise concept. So what is a clockwise concept? Clock is always from 12 to 6. How does it come? Clockwise. This is a clockwise concept, right? If I come from this direction, it is a clockwise. Is it visible to all? Wait, I will show you once more. Okay, once again. I will draw it here itself. So if I say this is a north, south, east and west, and where is it clockwise and anti-clockwise? So clockwise means what? In this direction clock goes on. So clock goes on like this. So this direction will be clockwise, right? And opposite to clockwise becomes anti-clockwise. So opposite to that, that means if it goes from this direction, then it if this goes on in this direction, then it will become the anti-clockwise. Is it okay? Clockwise and anti-clockwise, it is too much simple concept to understand that. In the direction where clock goes, it goes as the clockwise direction, and it is goes opposite to clockwise. That means if it is going in opposite direction, then we will say it is in a anti-clockwise direction. Okay, clockwise always goes to the right, and anti-clockwise is always goes to the left. Okay, in the next PPT you will get clear this concept. Okay, so is it clear up to this? Should I go to next PPT? Let's see the next PPT. Yeah. Wait a moment. Okay. So now we are going to see the left and right concept. Okay, this is the most important here. While solving the exam, turns towards left, turns towards right. Actually, all depend on this concept of itself. Okay, left and right and 90 degree clockwise, anti-clockwise. These are the most important concepts here. So suppose this is the one person who is facing the north. Okay, I am drawing this north below so that you can understand this. Okay, so suppose one person is there who is facing the north. Then north means in the upward side. So I am in the north direction, right? So what will be the right and left of the north? If I am facing this direction, then my right will be this side. Okay, so I will show this right in this side. And what will be my left? This one. So this will be my left, that is the left side. Okay. This is thing that you can stood like this, stood up like this, and you can imagine whether my right is here, left is here. Or else, if you have understood the clockwise and anti-clockwise concept, as I told you earlier that clockwise is always goes to right and anti-clockwise goes to the left. Okay. So if I am facing this, like here is a 12 o'clock and my clock is going, so my clock will go in this direction, right? So in this direction, it should be the right. Okay, this is a clockwise. Suppose I have to go up to 3 o'clock. So I will go in the right. So this clockwise will be the right, and this opposite, that is the anti-clockwise, will be the left. Is this concept easy to understand? Are you getting this? Message in the chat section. Okay, so if this is a north side, then clockwise will be right and anti-clockwise will be left. Similarly, if someone I am facing in the south direction now, okay? This is the south direction. So clockwise will be right and clockwise will come up like this. So this clockwise, that means here is a right and this side will be the left. Okay, as right is a clockwise and left is a anti-clockwise. Is it okay to all? Wait, let me check the chat session whether you have understood it or not. Okay, so this is for now north and this is for south. Similarly for east and west, I will show you an east and west. Okay, so suppose this is my east. Is it visible to all? This is the east. So what will be the right? Clockwise will be the right direction. So this clockwise will be right. This, that means this will be my right, and left obviously opposite to right, that will be the left. Okay, so you don't have to remember that whether where is the left or right. You don't have to confuse. You can easily solve this by the clockwise and anti-clockwise concepts. Okay, so after this is there is a west side. Okay, suppose this is the west side. So what will be the right? And clockwise, right will be goes in this direction. So this will be my right, and opposite to that this will be left. Okay, this is most important concept. So once you understood this concept, then only you will be able to solve the question. So is it clear to all? Very good. Actually, we are going to solve the questions now. Yeah, yes. So question type 1. Okay, first type is a turn and rotation based. In this type of question, they will give like someone is turning to the right direction or in the left direction, or you can say clockwise, anti-clockwise direction. So this will be turn, and rotation in the degrees, like a 90 degree to the left, 90 degree to the right, 90 degree clockwise. So this type of data is given, this type of statement is given, and they can ask you the direction which is facing. Okay, that person which direction is facing, that you have to solve, that you have to find actually. Okay, so this type of question will be there. This is the first type of question. So let's start the question. Okay, so let's, before the starting, we'll just take a review. Just okay, quickly review. We are taking quickly review for some questions, some students. Okay, so what we have seen, first of all, we have seen the main directions, which was north, south, east, and west. Where north is always upwards, south is always downwards, opposite to north. Then east is always in the right, so opposite to east, that is the west, in the left. Okay, did you remember what I have already told you? Okay, I'm just taking quickly review orally itself. Okay, after the main direction, there were the cardinal direction. So cardinal direction was exactly between the main direction. So if I set the direction between north and east, that cardinal direction will be northeast. Okay, so that I'm drawing once for the math. Okay, I will take one diagram so that we clear all the things. Okay, good. In one diagram only, we will take which we review. Okay. So this north is the upward side, south is the downward. East is always right, so east will be here, so west will be this direction. Okay. After that, there is the concept of cardinal direction. So cardinal direction are exactly between these. So this is the northeast, this is the southeast, this is the southwest, this is the northwest. Is it? Up to this clear? Sun rises in the east, sun sets west. Okay, then angle between the main directions are always 90 degree. So this main direction angle will be 90 degree, and the angle between this cardinal direction, this is a 45 degree. Okay, so either this or any type of cardinal direction, half of that will be 45 degree, and main direction angle will be 90 degree. Okay, then the concept of the clockwise and anti-clockwise, just same direction with the clock, it gives clockwise, just like a clock goes on this direction. So this is the clockwise, and opposite to clock, that means if it is going opposite to clock, then it is called as the anti-clockwise. Okay, after this all okay. Then after this clockwise and anti-clockwise, we have seen the left-right concept. Okay, so what was the left right? Suppose like this is a north. Okay, I'm taking some another diagram. So if this is a north, clockwise is the right. So just take a quick review. This is the right and this is the left for the north. Okay. Similarly for the south, this is a right and this is a left. I hope it's visible to all. After that for the east, this is a right and this is the left. And for west, this is the right and this is the left. Like the clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clockwise is always right, anti-clockwise is always left. Okay, this was your total concept which we have seen up to this. So now all of you are clear? Okay, you can message in the chat session or should I take the poll once more? Yes, all of you are clear. That's really good. All clear. Okay, that's really good. So up to this all basics we have cleared. So now we are going to start the types where first type is a turn and rotation, where left or right turn, clockwise or anti-clockwise turn, and the rotation 90 degree to clockwise, 90 degree to left. This type of rotation will be given. And we have to find the direction of that person facing. Okay, so let's start the questions. Very good. Okay, that's good. Okay. So if you have understood the concept, then I think that you are able to solve the question now. Okay, so first question is for you guys. Okay, I'm giving the poll for that question. So let's try the question. I'm giving you actually 30 seconds is more than enough for this question. But still I'm giving you 1 minute for the question. Let's try to solve and give the answer in the poll. Complete the poll part. Okay. I'm waiting and after that I'm going to take a chat section for question and answer. Come on, some of you, many students are giving the right question, but yeah, some are giving the wrong answer. Just try. And you. Come on, you have 30 seconds. Try to solve fast. In the exam, we won't take 30 seconds actually. We have to solve within less than 30 seconds for this question. Too much easy question, okay? Come on, try to solve. Many students have opted up to this. So, yes, around 80, no, not 80 actually, less than 80%, around 80% students are giving the right answer. So, okay, this time is perfect. Can we put that? I'm just making a diagram of size here. And yes, in the exam, you are not going to draw this side every time. When we can afford to waste 10 seconds to draw this diagram. Okay, once you get practice, then you don't need this diagram. And just for the starting purpose, I'm taking this diagram on the video. Okay. So yes, poll is completed now. That's good. Most of the students have given the right answer, and yeah, let's solve for those. All of it actually. Okay. So let's start. What are you saying in the question? A joy is facing the north direction. Okay, and turns 90 degree to the right. Of north direction, that means he is in the north direction. Here is the joy. And what is he doing now? He is taking 90 degree right turn. Yes, turn 90 degree to the right. So 90 degree, that means here we take the 90 degree in the right, because it's right here, clockwise direction, so we will take the right in the 90 degree. Okay, this is your 90 degree. Right. This is your 90 degree. He is taking the right turn. Okay, and he says after walking some distance, he again took the right turn. So what is he doing? Again he is taking the right turn. Now if it is, so what will be the right? His right will be here downward. So he is taking again the 90 degree. He is again taking the right turn. Which direction is it facing? That was easy. So which direction is it? In the downward direction is a south. So this direction is a south. So what will be your answer? South. That's it. In the exam actually this is more 10 seconds are more than enough for this. In mind also, once you start the preparation, you can solve this question within a mind. 90. Yeah, he is in the north direction. Took a right and again took a right. Double right. That means he will go to the south. Yes, don't do in the mind on the first actually. Once you get the practice, then only try this. But yeah, for this diagram also, 10 seconds are enough for this. And yeah, many of the students have done this right answer given. Okay. So up to this, all of you have understood. Okay. Yes, that's good. So the next slide, we are going to see the next question. Oh, yeah. Yes. So question number 2. So are you trying this or should I explain? Come on, try and give the answer in the chat section. Okay, on 30 seconds actually. I'm waiting 30 seconds. After this, I'm cleaning this board. Okay. So let's try and give the answer in the comment section. Oh, many of you giving the correct answer. Okay, so yes. Many of you are saying yes. And yeah, so let's solve. Okay, we are going to solve this question togetherly. Okay, so what are they saying? I am facing east. So first of all, I am facing the east direction. This is me. Okay, I am facing this direction. After that, I turn 90 degree in the clockwise direction. So अब मुझे क्या करना है? 90 degree clockwise. 90 degree clockwise. Okay. After that. And again 90 degree in the anti-clockwise. अब मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? Anti-clockwise means to the left. And yes, is it there mentioned the 90 degree? Yeah, okay, then no problem. Okay. 90 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. So what will be my direction now? This is a east. This was easy. This much easy question. We are taking easy questions for today actually. Okay, it's all basic lecture, so we are starting to solve the basic questions, and most of you have answered the question. Okay, so yeah, after that, question number 3, and this is the question of recent exam 2021. Recently, the question was asked, the most important question. Okay, so are you trying this question? Suppose you were in the exam and you have to solve this. Come on, try. Okay. Try first, within the 30 seconds, then only I will explain you. Okay, try first and give the answer in the comment section. I'll be solving. Come on, fast, try to solve. In the exam, there will be only 30 seconds for this question. Okay. So, should I solve it if you are not reading, or should I wait? Yeah, some of you are giving the answers. That's really good. Very good. Oh, that's really. Oh, someone of you are giving the wrong answer, but no problem. We will see. We'll solve the questions. Not issue. Okay, so should I solve? Okay, so I am going to solve now. Okay, we already together solve it. Okay, so what the questions? First of all, read the question, complete question, read the complete question carefully. Okay, what are they saying? Ranveer's office has two doors facing each other. Okay, after that, the front door faces east. He comes out of his office back door and walks 100 meter, turns right and walks 50 meter further. The direction he is now from his office. Most easiest question actually. What are they saying? Ranveer's office has the two doors and they are facing each other. Okay, and its front door is faces the east. As its front door is faces the east and they are facing, so what will be which direction of the back door? West, because they are facing each other, right? So east and this the west. If they are facing each other, then if the front door is in the east, then obviously back door will be in the west. Okay. This is the actual concept. If you understood this, then next question is all easy questions. You can solve easily. Okay. So he is facing he is going in the west direction because he is going from the back door and his front door is in the east. So his back door will be the west as they are facing each other. Okay. So after that he starts from the west and what he do? He comes out of his office back door and walks 100 meters. So when he starts, what he do? He walks 100 meter. Okay, he walks 100 meter in the west direction and turns right and walks 50 meter further. Yeah, one most important thing is here. Whenever they say turn right, turn left, turn clockwise, anti-clockwise, if the angle is not mentioned in the question, then you will take 90 degree compulsory. Okay, if any angle is not given, that means it is a 90. So what he has done? He turns right. So he turns right 90 degree and walks 50 meter. Okay. So if I have to show this 50 meter, then I will show the half of this 100. Okay. Yeah, we will solve. I will explain this in the distance type of question. But now this also it is 50 meter, so it should be half of this 100. That means here in here. After that, they are saying just 50 meter further. That's the direction he is now from his office. His office will be here, right? So obviously ये होगा. Then what is he saying? What is the direction? So his office से ये direction कहाँ पे है? What is this direction? His office, this direction is there. As I said, this was the north and this was the south. So this direction was northwest. So what will be the direction? This he wants to hear. So what will be this direction? This is the north west. Understood this? So what will be the answer? Northwest. That is the option number A. Is it okay to all? Come on, message me the chat session. Northwest is the answer. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So should I explain it once again? Okay, I'm going to explain it. Okay, no, don't worry. Yeah, wait. I'm explaining once again. In the question, they were saying that Ranveer's office has two doors and they are in the what is saying? The office has two doors and they are facing each other. Okay, his front door is in the east. If his front door is in the east, then his back door will be in the west and they are facing each other. Right? So east and west, they both are the same line. So west will be back door. So he starts from the west direction. That means he is going in this direction. And what he do? He walks 100 meters and then he took the right turn and he walks 50 meters further. And they have asked what is his direction from his office. His office was here now. So that's why he started from his office. So from his office, the direction of this point is, so this direction will be north and west because this is the north and this is the west. So between the north and west, the direction is the northwest. Now is it clear? Okay, that's good. Most of you have understood this. Very good. So in this today's lecture, we have seen the concepts of the question, concept of the basics, the real life example, professional life example, and after this we see the concept and we have solved some questions. right? So this is what was for today, and yes, I'm giving you some assignments. So before this, tell me whether you have understood this or that's good. Most of you are saying yes, 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 understood. That's really good. So in the next PPT, I'm giving you the assignments now. Okay. Yes. So you can take a screenshot or the PPT is also shared with you. So yeah, these are your assignment. 5 questions are your assignment. This is for you. You are going to solve these questions. Okay. And you take the screenshot of this. Yes, those 3 questions and these 2 questions are for you. Okay, this is all for today actually. So thank you so much for giving your time and putting your efforts on your preparation. And yes, take care and stay safe. All of your doubts will be cleared definitely. So after that, bye bye. Take care.